Good morning, class 1. Today we will start with our new chapter of your syllabus, that is fun with the family. Family. You have already studied about family, what is family in your previous chapter, that is my family. Now on page number 32. Just have a look on the picture given in your book. Same picture you can see on the screen as well. Now, can you see one boy is standing in the center wearing a cap? His name is Zakir. And look at the picture. He is celebrating a special day with his family. By looking at the picture, one thing is clear that they are celebrating something. They are celebrating one special day with family. But which special day they are celebrating? To find out, what you have to do, you have to color this picture. So fill color in it. You can use your crayons colors, pencil colors, any colors, and you have to color this picture to find out if you really want to know which special day they are celebrating, just color this picture. Okay, children? Now next is again on that same page down. Now children, as we all know that it is always fun to be with our families. You always enjoy to stay at home, stay with your mama, papa, brothers, sisters. We also share and learn lots of things among family. Like we share, most probably you share your pencils, erasers, mama cook food for you. So all these kind of things always we do in a family. Now on page number 32 down, there is a boy. Again there is a boy whose name is Zakir, the boy in the yellow t-shirt. You can see that boy in a yellow t-shirt. He is 6 years old and he is saying something. Let's read it from the book. I celebrate my birthday with my family and friends. We eat, sing, and dance together. We have lots of fun with family and friends. I also celebrate festival with them. So children, like Razakir, you all celebrate your birthdays with your families. You celebrate birthdays, festivals with your family. You also eat together, you sing together, dance together. We all do these kind of things together with our family. Like for take an example from the current situation. Now, as we all know that we are going through this lockdown due to COVID-19, right? So we all are at our home. So we are spending lots of time with our family, mama, papa, grandparents, brothers, sisters. I hope you all are enjoying this time by having fun with your family, but also try to learn things from your family members. I know it's very you enjoy this time being with your family members. You're having fun at home, but try to utilize this time. Try to learn new things like painting, cycling, etc. Okay, children. Now next is page number 33. Now on page number 33, festivals. You all know what is festival. What are they? Festival, you all know festivals like Holi, Dashehra, Diwali, Christmas. We all celebrate festivals, right? And we enjoy during festival. We all feel happy. We all enjoy during festival, right? We enjoy during festival. We are always excited for the festival. Always excited, right? So, festivals are the time of joy and happiness. We all celebrate festival with happiness and joy. So, festivals are the time of joy and happiness. We wear what we do on festival. We wear new clothes. We eat special foods, sweets. We go to our friends and to our neighbors' homes or celebrate the festival with them. We exchange gifts with them. So these kind of things we do with on festivals, right? Festival also teach us to live together with family members, with friends, with classmates. Family members, friends, and with classmates. Okay? And we should respect all religions. We should respect all religions. Like in your classroom, there are students of different religion, right? So you should respect their religions too, as you are respecting your own religions. Like for example, if one boy is Hindu, he should respect other children of different religions in his class. Clear? So in school also we celebrate all festival, right? How we celebrate in school? By having uh, special morning assemblies, having stage functions. Children play a drama in a respective classes. We celebrate functions. So in such a manner we can celebrate lots of festivals. All these things, school organize all these kind of activities to make sure that all children or students learn to respect all religions and celebrate all festival together, whether it is Diwali, Eid, Gurparav, or Christmas. So children, you should always respect all religions, and you have to celebrate the festival together. Okay, we celebrate different kinds of festival in India. Four main different festivals of India's are Diwali, Eid, Gurparav, and Christmas. These four are mentioned in your book. So we will read and look at one by one on each festival. So let's start with the festival of India.